Hey everyone! You may have already heard about our brand new Learning Management System, or LMS. It's a platform designed to make your learning experience easier, more organized, and more interactive. To help you get started smoothly, we've prepared this short video to guide you through the registration and login process. Don't worry, registering on the LMS is quick and simple. This guide is just here to make things even easier and to ensure that everyone can access the platform without any confusion. In the next few moments, we'll walk you step by step through how to create your account and log in successfully. So let's get started and get you connected to the LMS. All right, now let's take a quick look at how you can register on the LMS. This is the home page of the LMS. You can easily access it by clicking the link provided in the video description. On the home page, you'll see the Login button. Click on it to continue. Now we're on the Login page. Just below the Login button, you'll find a Register link. Go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to the registration page. Here, you'll see the registration form. It asks for a few basic details so we can properly create your account. Start by entering your first name and last name. Then provide your email address, which is very important since important updates will be sent to it. After that, enter your national identity card number and select your batch and medium. Next, fill in your school, subject stream, phone number, and WhatsApp number. You'll also need to provide your date of birth and gender. Then create a password for your account. Make sure to enter the same password again in the Confirm Password field. Once all the details are filled in, click the Register button. After that, you'll be asked to agree to the Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Please take a moment to read them and then accept them to continue. Your registration request will then be submitted to the admin panel. The administrators will review your request and either approve or reject it. Once a decision has been made, you will receive a notification via email. And that's it! Simple and straightforward. Your registration process is now complete. We'll continue bringing more helpful videos like this to guide you and make your experience with the LMS easier and more comfortable. We wish you the very best in your learning journey ahead. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.